Good morning student, here I am Dr. Kshatriya. Welcome in my YouTube channel, that is Dr. Kshatriya Amita. So after a long time I am taking this video lecture for the course number extension 122, as many students requested me to take the video lecture of this course. So today we are going to discuss syllabus of this extension 122, that is this course for the second semester, and the course title is Fundamental of Agriculture Extension Education. So before going to start syllabus of this course, you just like, share, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel, so you will get the notification while I am uploading new video lecture for this course. So let's start, or let's discuss about the syllabus first. So I already told you that it's course number extension 122, course title Fundamental of Agricultural Extension Education, credit 2+1, that is a 3 semester second, and we are going to discuss today syllabus. So you already know the syllabus of this particular course, but I want to discuss before going to start each and every topic of this course. So first topic is our education. So education, in that we are going to discuss about the meaning, definition and types. Okay, in the types there is a formal, informal and non-formal education. Okay, so this particular topic is for 2 marks. Okay, so you go through the definition of formal, informal, non-formal education with their examples. Then second topic is extension education. So it is a very important topic, right? Weightage is for 10 marks. Okay, here in that we are going to discuss about the meaning, definition, need, scope and process. Again, history of extension education, objectives, philosophy, principles and approaches. So all this, each and every topic is very important. This particular course is very important, not only for your semester and examination, but also various competitive examination like your MCAER, when you want to get admission for the MSc agriculture, also for the different agriculture MPSC examination, and if you completed in future MSc Agri in respective department, for NET examination of this extension education is very important, this particular course. So you don't only listen your lectures, but you should understood each and every concept. Okay, so it will be the useful for your future also. So in this extension education, all these topics is very important and weightage is the 10 marks. Then the third topic is the extension program planning. Again, it is a very important topic. So here we are going to discuss meaning, process, principles and steps in program development. Okay, so here steps are there, so we are going to discuss that. Then the next topic is extension system in India. So here different era is there: pre-independence, post-independence and present extension system. So before our independence, what type of the things are there, which program was there. Okay, so that we are going to discuss. Then post-independence means after our independence, and present, what is the present extension system. Okay, so that also we are going to discuss. Okay, so in pre-independence era, that is extension efforts in pre-independence era, in that Sriniketan, Marthandam, Pirka development scheme, Gurgaon experiment. So this we are going to discuss. So their establishment year, who are established that started that particular program. Okay, so what are the principle of that particular program, so that we are going to discuss here. Then the post-independence era, in that Etawah pilot project, Nilokheri experiment. Okay, so that we are going to discuss. And present extension, what is actually present extension system in our particular agriculture in our India. So Department of Agriculture, what is the structure of the Department of Agriculture and their functions. So this is for 5 marks. Okay, then next topic is various extension or agriculture development programs launched by ICAR, Government of India. What is the ICAR? It is the Indian Council of Agriculture Research, New Delhi. So whatever the program is there launched by this ICAR or Government of India, that we are going to discuss in this particular topic. Okay, so it is for 10 marks. So in this introduction about the ICR, what is the ICR, in which year it is established, objectives and silent achievements. Then different kind of the agriculture development programs are there. Okay, so here full form of the particular, this short form IADP. What is the IADP? In which year it is established? So whatever the program is there, their full form is very important, their established year and their objectives is very important. So first program is Intensive Agricultural District Program, that is IADP. Second is Intensive Agricultural Area Program, that is IAAP. Then next is a High Yielding Varieties Program, that is HYVP. Institutional Village Linkage Program, that is IVLP. Operational Research Project, that is ORP. The next is a National Agricultural Technology Project, NATP. The National Agriculture Innovation Project, that is NAIP. Rashtriya Krishi Vikas Yojana, RKVY. So this RKVY is now are going to be as Raftar. Okay, so this is the some of the agriculture development program. It is for 10 marks. Then the next is the new trends in agriculture extension. Okay, so what are the new trends in agriculture extension? That will we are going to study in this particular topic, that is meaning, objective and silent features. So privatization in extension. What is the privatization? Okay, in extension we are going to discuss ICT in extension education, in that cyber extension, e-extension. Okay, so a market lead extension is there, farmer lead extension is there. This concept we are going to discuss in this particular topic. Then the next is a rural development. What is the rural development? Its concept, meaning, definition, objectives and genesis. This is for 5 marks. And the next is a various rural development program launched by Government of India. Okay, so again this very important topic as per your competitive examination. So it is for 10 marks. Here also full form of each and every program, their establishment year, their silent feature and objective. So Swarna Jayanti Gram Swarozgar Yojana, that is SGSY. The next is Indira Awas Yojana, IAY. Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act. Okay, the next is a Prime Minister Rozgar Yojana, PMRY. Next is a District Rural Development Agency, that is a DRDA. Integrated Watershed Development Program, that is IWDP. Providing urban amenities in rural area, that is a PURA. Rashtriya Mahila Kosh, also National Credit Fund for Women. Then MAVIM, that is a Mahila Arthik Vikas Mahamandal, that is MAVIM. Then the next this topic is for 10 marks. Then the next topic is community development. Okay, so here in that meaning, definition, concept, principles and philosophy for 3 marks. Then democratic decentralization, that is a Panchayat Raj, meaning, constitution and function. So Panchayat Raj having the it is a 3-tier structure. Okay, it's a grassroots level, Gram Panchayat. Then middle level, that is a at taluka level we call as Panchayat Samiti, and district level Jilla Parishad. So this is the 3-tier system, this Panchayat Raj. It is established under the 73rd Amendment Act, Ashok Mahita Committee. So this is for 2 marks. Then the extension, administration and management, meaning and concept, principles, functions and differences. Okay, so what is the administration, what is the management? Okay, so we are going to discuss in this particular topics for 3 marks. Then the evaluation in extension. Okay, so meaning, definition, types of evaluation, monitoring and evaluation is for 2 marks. Then transfer of technology programs, that is lab to land program, that is LLP. First of all, you should understood what is a transfer of technology program. So what is a transfer of technology? We already discussed this concept in a previous course, that is extension 111. Transfer of technology means whatever the new technology or new practices or new variety released by, or whatever the research is done on this particular new things by the university, by the research station, that particular technology is transferred up to the grassroots level through the extension worker or subject matter specialist. grassroots level means to up to the farmers. That is your transfer of technology. So this transfer of technology here, which kind of the programs are there? That is lab to land programs, that is LLP, national demonstration, that is END, frontline demonstration, that is FLD, Krishi Vigyan Kendra, that is KVK, technology assessment and refinement program, that is the TARP of ICAR. So all these are the different kind of transfer of technology programs are there. We are going to discuss all this concept. Having the weightage of this particular topic is a 5. Then capacity building of extension personnel and farmers. So you know very well that is a extension worker is having very major role to transfer the technology up to the farmers. So for this capacity building means some of the type training programs are there. Okay, so for the extension personnel and also farmers. So meaning training and education, types of training. Capacity building is nothing but is that training. Okay, so training institutions in India, concept of human resource development. So there is a different kind of the training are there. So through that we can build the capacity, means in Marathi because kaushalya shamata, we can develop that particular capacity of the extension person to give the knowledge or to transfer the technology up to the farmers, and farmers to get that particular knowledge from the extension person or from to adopt that particular new technology. So for that training is very essential. Okay, so for 5 marks. Then the next is extension teaching methods and audiovisual aids. This is also very important topic as per your different kind of the competitive examination. Okay, so whatever the 10 weightage is there na for different topics, that is very important. Okay, so you go through that particular topic or you stress on that particular topic. Okay, you trace on that particular topic more. Then in this extension teaching method and audiovisual aids, meaning, definition, importance, classification, media mix strategies, factor affecting selection and use of methods and aids. There is a different kind of the extension teaching methods are there as according to form, according to use. Okay, so I am not going to discuss in detail here. We are going to discuss in detail while we are going to take that particular topic. So it is for 10 marks. And the communication, I already upload video lecture on this communication in previous year. So in that meaning and definition, elements, selected models and barriers to communication. So what are the elements are there? Okay, that is source, receivers, okay, mediator or channel. Okay, so that is elements are there, and different kind of the models are there. Rogers model is there, CRC model is there, Berlo model is there. So different kind of the models are there, and the barriers also there. So we are going to discuss all these things in that particular topic. It is for 10 marks. So again, it is a very important topic as per for your competitive examination also. Then agriculture journalism. So it is a basic concept is there. What is the agriculture journalism? Means meaning, definition and news writing. Okay, so this course is in detail for your elective means it is elective course for your 4th semester. Okay, so this is for 3 marks. And again very important topic is the diffusion and adoption of innovation. Okay, so it is also useful for your competitive examination. Specifically NET, concept and meaning, attributes of innovation, innovation decision process, adapter categories. So we are going to discuss what is actual diffusion, what is actual adoption, what is actual innovation. So all these concepts are very new for you. Okay, so we are going to discuss concept behind this particular thing. So don't worry about that. I will take the video lecture on this particular topic in very easy language. I already upload one video lecture on this diffusion and adoption of innovation. If you listen clearly, you can clear all the concept. What is the diffusion, adoption and innovation? Okay, I will share video playlist of extension 1 to 2 whatever I uploaded in previous lecture in the description box. You go through that. So it is for 5 marks. So this is about your theory syllabus. Okay, so theory syllabus is theory examination for your 100 marks out of 80 marks plus 20 marks for mid, means total 100 marks are there. So as Here it is a practical also, so practical for 50 marks, in that 40 marks for your practical and 10 marks your general performance. Okay, so nowadays online examination is there, so 50 marks for your practical examination. So in practical, most of visits are there. Okay, so visit for here first experiment is what? Study of university extension system, then organizing group discussion. Okay, that is a second exercise. Third is handling and use of digital camera. Okay, digital camera, that is a third exercise. Then sorry then the fourth is handling and use of LCD projector. LCD means liquid crystal display. Okay, then handling and use of public address system, in that speaker is there. Okay, amplifier is there. So how we can handle that particular instrument and uh, um, together, and it's called as a public address system. Then preparation of extension literature, that is a leaflet and folder. Then power, how we can prepare an effective PowerPoint presentation, PPT, in laptop or on mobile also. Then writing news stories, so whatever the news stories are there. Okay, news stories, how we can write that particular news story. Then next is a writing success story, how we can write the success story, that steps are there, we can go through that. Then study of structure and function of DRDA, we already learn in the theory, that is what is the DRDA. And study of structure and functioning of Department of Agriculture. Okay, then next is a visit of NGO. Okay, non-government organization, and learning from their experience in rural development. Visit to understand visit to village to understand PRA. What is the PRA? Participatory Rural Appraisal. Okay, the techniques are there and their application in village development planning. Then visit to community radio television studio for understanding the process of program production. The next is exercise number 15, writing for print electronic media. And 16, developing script for radio and television. So most of the part of this course is for your, means practical is for elective extension 244, that is agriculture journalism 4th semester. It is elective course. And also this course is for actually of old extension 353. Okay, so here we completed, we discuss all the syllabus. Okay, so if you have any doubt, you can ask me in a comment box. So due to my health issue, I did not uploaded video lecture. So many students requested me daily, so I am trying to give my best. Okay, if any mistake is there, you can consider it. Okay, so thank you.